Hi, this is David with Impeccabilities powered by Kaizink, and today I want to talk about how we package magnetized material. I have about 11 pieces of gear. 11 pieces of this material is 23 pounds. It is far too heavy for our normal backer paper. It would just rip to shreds. So what we're going to do is take some of our card stock, our cardboard stock, and our work here was 17 by 31 inches. I've added a ½ inch to each side, with the goal being once it's sandwiched, I will be able to pinch these edges together a little bit and use as much packing tape as I need to secure the 23, 24 pound package. So this is the starting stock. We just cut that down to the 18 by 32, which I've already done, and included all of our mailers. And we're just going to put this together, sandwich this with our packing tape it up, and then we'll put our labels on right on top of the cardboard material. And that is it. Thank you.